what's up? What's up?
Fine.
How's your day?
Doing good.
You have a guest. You have a guest.
No, this is my son.
Your son? Is this your daddy?
What? That is my daddy. Why?
I am a little bit confused.
Why are you confused?
You are color great and he is color shine.
Bakit? May problema ka?
No.
May problema ka sa akin?
No, I don't.
Gusto mo kakatin?
No, don't bite me.
Lupit talaga ng English mo. His color gray tapos his color... Anong color gray, color shine?
Eh, daddy, nagtatagalog pala to eh.
Anak ko nga eh. Di ba
Papa ko
sinabi
to
niya, anak ko,
Bira naman
ang
oh.
mama niya, from Cameroon.
Kagatin talaga kita.
Kailan ka pa ba dito sa Pilipinas?
Bakit? May problema ka sa akin?
Wala.
Dito ko pinanganak yan. Dito yung
Ikaw naman, hindi mo sinabi sa akin yung anak mo nagtatagalog.
May bigas sa bahay?
Meron.
Kumakain din na sinabi na bigas to.
It's born in the Philippines pag may bigas ka. Ina ka.